Good morning, everyone. This is La Posa West, Quartzsite, Arizona, with a drone update for January 20th, 2026. We're at the main gate. We're heading towards the big tent and Tyson Wells. It's where a lot of the vendors are, where the big tent is, where the RV show is. This is, again, this is the busiest week. So what you're seeing in the LTVAs is probably typical for as full as the LTVAs get. They may fluctuate a little bit different years, but this is a busy week. Even the campground right next to the right of Route 95 right there is full of campers. And of course the RV show campers are right below us, and the big tent. And then Tyson Wells, all the vendors. Kind of cool stuff. It's fun to walk around. It's fun to people watch. Fun to look at the RVs. And Route 10. And there's Tyson Wash. For those back home that don't know, that this is what their rivers look like most of the year down here. They call them washes because when it rains enough, they're full of water and they wash. And then some people aren't ready for it. People get hurt every year. Some people get killed. But, respect the washes. They will flood whenever it rains. Doesn't even have to rain close by and they can flood. So here's all the cool campers. And the old road to Yuma is in this area too. I think that's what we're looking at. And here we are looking back at Quartzsite with all that wildfire smoke off in the distance. Route 95 right there on the right. And that will about wrap up the update for La Posa West on January 20th, 2026. It's not heavily edited. I just wanted to get something up and out there because lots of people are curious. And that's what you're looking at. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.